Hello ladies and gents, I am Jaylyn Renee. Welcome back to my channel.
What you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
For today's video, we are going to be unboxing and trying on some really practical, everyday, minimalistic vibe frames. I'm so excited to try these out because they're more of the toned down version, but they're still really cute and fashionable. So before we get started today, this video is sponsored by my friends over at Lensmart. They were so kind to send me over a few frames to test out for you guys today. I'm really excited because when I was looking on their website, I saw a variety of just minimalistic vibes type of frames, and I picked out a few and I really am feeling them. So if you're interested in watching, stay tuned.
Come through every need you here. I swear I keep this feeling to myself. Now you're the one thinking of my highest from my pocket now. Fuck gravity, I'd rather stay up here. Can't get away. On trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna hear is an emphasis on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show. So I feel like what you do is you wait. But we don't really want. I just wanna get away. Still right next to you. You.
So let's go ahead and try out our first pair. These are so cool to me. When I saw them on the website, I was like, I really want to try them. I love just the transparent frame. I think that is really cool because that makes it a way for you to be able to just throw these on with a ton of outfits, or whatever look you're going for that day would probably pretty much go with it. So let's just try these on. Look how cute. You guys get what I'm saying? Like just that minimalistic but still really fashionable and different look. It is definitely not the usual general frame that you may see on an everyday basis at like your eye doctor. So Lensmart got these down right for us. These are super cute. They are really lightweight on my face. Again, the size are really comfortable and the fit just is really nice. It fits my face really well. Moving right along to the next pair. I just love the packaging of these. It's just going to be really easy for me to store them. And I actually do like them in their like brown packaging, so I'll probably keep those. I'll probably store them in this brown box. I know like it comes with this cute little gray case, which is really handy and like cute, but I really am feeling the boxes too. I don't know, maybe I can reuse the boxes for something else. So let's see what these next pair are about. Oh my gosh. So you guys know that I have like really been obsessed with cow prints, Dalmatian prints, and these are super cute. It has that cow print. I believe these are cow prints, but it also has like this cow, it has this cow print, it has a cow print on it, but it's brown. So I really like that for like more of a softer mood instead of using black. I really love that they use brown. And if I'm not mistaken, the spots came in different colors. Don't quote me on that. If it didn't, one thing about Lensmart is a lot of their frames come in a variety of colors. So I thought that was really cool. But it also has like this extension coming out the top of the eye and then the bottom and the side of the eye. So again, a cute little extra flare with that. Super duper cute. Let's try them on. Super cute. Now I don't know if like, maybe if you like work in a factory or something like that, maybe you'll be able to get away with like just wearing these. I feel like this little extension on the side is like somewhat of a safety thing. So I think that's like actually really, really cool, where maybe if your job allows, you can wear these to work instead of those ugly like safety frames. But these are really cute. I'm digging these so much. Oh, and by the way, these aren't my prescription, guys, but it's okay because I can just pop my contacts in and throw these on, and you know, I see just fine out of them, so it's all good. Moving right along to the next pair. Oh, I was so excited to get these, guys. These are just a basic, well, they're not basic because you see this cat eye. It's cat eyeing, okay? And it also has like the gold detail on the side of it, which I think is really cute. And then at the end, this end right here is gold as well. So that just gives it a cute little chic look. Definitely, these are really quality, guys. Like, these are nice and heavy. Like, not super heavy, but definitely a heavier type of frame, where you're not just feeling like it's just some old cheapy type of frame. But these are probably my favorite ones out of the bunch. I'm gonna throw them on. These are just such a beautiful classic pair of glasses, but again, it has all the detailing that you need if you're a detailed girl like myself. I like to think of myself as minimalistic, and just add and spice at the top. So I really do dig like the whole minimalistic thing, but I just gotta add my flair to it, and these glasses like explain that so well. I just love them. Cat eye is like one of my favorites because it looks just so well on my face. But yeah, look at these, guys. These can go with anything, literally. Like, these can go with anything. Now, this next pair, oh my gosh. They are so unique and cute. I cannot get enough of how cute these are. Like, are you serious? They are so stinking cute. It's like, I guess it's, I don't want to say camo print, but maybe it is camo print. I will definitely have the link below to all of these frames, guys. But I chose to get this like nude brown color scheme on them. They do have different color schemes you can get, but isn't this just gorgeous? Oh my gosh, let's try them on. How stinking cute are these? Like, come on, like, these are so freaking cute. I love them so much. Again, more of a minimalistic vibe, but still adding a little spice in there for you. I think these are the most unique pair out of all of the ones that I think these are the most unique pair of all of the ones that I got, but I just love them so much. So much. So I hope you ladies enjoyed today's video. If you are on the market looking for some frames, I know I've showed you guys frames from pretty much for everyone's style, so definitely make sure you check out Lensmart if you're more of a minimalistic girl, but you do like to add a little spice in there. High quality glasses. The designs are really upscale, luxury, and unique, so I really enjoy that. So you guys make sure you check out Lensmart. I'll have all the links down below to the frames I got today, as well as Lensmart website. And if you have any questions, of course, you can ask right down below in the comments. I thank you guys so much for watching today, and I will see you in the next video.